fishing at Everglade City. See you there. Hey guys, today we're at Everglade City National Park. Here we are guys, our new fishing spot right over there.
Right over there. That's it. That's all you got.
Straight ahead, right here. There's a little dock, if you can see that. You got everything, Dad?
No, I got a couple of things. Come back tomorrow if you need it.
Yeah, straight ahead right here. Last time we were here, we caught 2 catfish. Is that right, Dad?
Yeah. You thought I was going to get my feet wet.
I think I have something. I'm not stuck. Fish on! I definitely don't. Catfish, Dad. Here it comes. Oh, red. Catfish?
Catfish.
Right over there. Fish on. Oh, I lost a fish. Come on. Got one, I believe. Oh, I lost it now. Come on. On. I believe. Another little tiny catfish.
Another one? That's not a catfish.
Oh, red snapper. Nice. Red snapper and catfish. Small, but good. I think I'm stuck now too.
Jesus. Yeah, it's bad, isn't it?
Oh, I'm getting fish. Fish on. I can definitely feel it pulling. It's a tiny, tiny one. A red snapper again.
How'd you do it, Ivan?
I'm a good fisherman. Nice red snapper. Let's get this guy back in the water. Oh, my dad is trying to fix his line from getting stuck and getting the hook on. I'm catching a lot of fish. Got something. Yes, I do. Actually,
Tell me your secret, Ivan.
lost it. Go by those go by the wood planks over there. That's how I do it. The one time I cast it in and I don't get a fish. Fish on! This one's a little fighter. Yeah, I definitely have this.
Ooh, nice one, Ivan.
Big one.
Yay.
Red snapper.
Yeah.
Again. Nice one.
There you go.
Towel, pliers, bucket. Yeah, I think I might be able to get this one out with my hands. I did the last one. Stuck. Oh, I just had something. Quick, Dad. Wait, I won't bring this one in.
Get out of it.
I won't bring it in.
Oh my God, it's mine. You thief.
This one's big. Towel ready. Oh,
Nice and easy, it's not a race.
I know that. Just trying to go over here. Towel.
Catfish.
Big one. That's a nice one.
Keep it up in the air.
Nice size catfish. Oh my God. I don't know if you can hear that, but the catfish is grunting. Trying to breathe. I'm not sure I'll get this. this out as quick as possible. Okay. Go ahead, toss that back in, Dad. Nice catfish.
Is that counting as my catfish?
No, it's mine. Oh, I see you put the new weight on.
I can't get a break.
Dad, did you put that new weight on?
I don't know what I put on. It was on from last time. You can get me one?
Sorry. I'm fishing to catch fish. Big fish. Fish central right there.
I go now. What's your rather say?
You want fish now?
Can I?
Yeah,
Can I
sure.
catch one and bring it in by myself?
Sure. Dad, you think I should cut the line?
Here you go. Hold that.
Got it. I'm gonna sit down.
Guarantee you catch your fish.
Huh?
I guarantee you catch your fish.
Palm frond. Pretty sure I got something. Oh, I'm stuck. Whoa! Something big here, Dad.
Again?
Yep.
Killing me, Ivan.
It's really fighting, Dad. Oh, this one's big. I can feel it.
Can't believe it.
I know it's not a race.
Twice. Got a fish on my line.
Yeah,
Nice and easy.
I know. I'm just trying to bring it up. Whoa.
Don't lose my pole.
Whoa, that's a big catfish.
Holy crap, it is a big catfish.
That thing's huge.
Monster. It's a
Okay, we
monster
have got to
catfish.
take a picture of that one.
Oh my god.
That thing's huge. Oh, I like that. Oh, it's a nice catfish.
Yeah, be very careful of these spines.
Definitely.
They are so strong, Ivan.
That one was strong. I'm gonna fish where you fish. So I like getting those big ones. Whew. They are fighters. Good.
Okay.
Yeah. Where do you fish at them? With them?
Over there.
Can you cast it out for me? Cause I can't cast it out that far. I can't cast out left-handed. I can cast out right, but not left.
Okay, where's yours?
Right over there. Got one. Whoa. What is that?
That?
Whoa. I think that's like an almond catfish.
No, I think that is a grouper.
What the heck?
I think that's a black grouper.
That's weird.
It is weird, isn't it?
Yeah, ask them if they know what it is.
Hey guys, what's this?
Dogfish.
Dogfish?
Nice.
Hey, it's one ugly fish.
Never caught it.
That one.
That's the first one I ever caught.
A dogfish.
Oh my god. I thought it was a red snapper.
Is it poisonous?
We'll have...
Oh, look at the teeth on it, Ivan.
Whoa. Put it down.
Oh,
Dad, put it down.
let some line out.
Good, go. Tell me when.
Okay, drop your thing. Get me the pliers. Got the teeth on this thing.
Oh, is that for me? Where are the pliers?
Yeah,
Oh
it's
my god. This is awesome. Such cool fish.
Oh god, you won't put your mouth and fingers in there.
Definitely not. Do you want me to pull it down?
I won't go anywhere near it if I were you, Ivan.
Wow, that is a nice fish. Nice and ugly fish. I'm backing up.
Woo.
This is a fight out of the water. Okay, throw that in. Oh, that was catch of the day right there.
Look at the teeth on it, guys.
Nice.
That is one ugly fish.
Yeah.
Ah!
Nice. That was the best catch.
It's a dogfish. Ew.
Oh, awesome though.
You see the teeth on it?
I
You
know.
take your
Oh
finger
my
off.
god.
Fish on.
Oh, red snapper.
No, I think it's another catfish.
Okay, I'm not touching it.
Another big catfish.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god, I still can't believe I caught dogfish. That thing was awesome.
Dogfish, catfish, all sorts of fish in here.
Yeah, definitely. That has got to be the catch of the day, right, Dad?
Oh, God.
That's the first time I've ever caught a dogfish. Fish on. Red snapper.